Hey guys, Matt Eppers here with Grand Design. I'm our Transcend product manager. Wanted to introduce you to our new 331 BH Transcend Explorer. So here starting, we're really excited. This is our first triple slide floor plan in the Transcend lineup. It's 3 slides, all of them off campsite side, which is really nice, keeps your campsite open. We will have a bed slide, a living room slide, and a bunk slide, but we'll get into that here in a minute. Starting off on our camp side, what's really nice is our camp kitchen. I got the burner out here. Do some outside cooking for you. Nice little dorm style fridge with some extra countertop space. And a big thing that we do is add the outlet in there for you. That way you have, opportunity to put a blender, radio, whatever you need to do out here. Tankless water heater standard on all of our Transcend Explorers. Really excited about that. Large awning for us, and what's nice, you actually have the bead lighting, a little bit different than some of the product that we've done in the past. Excited about that add. Another one, kind of attention to detail for us on this larger unit, we wanted to use the 4-step solid step. A lot of manufacturers, you'll see you use 3, save some costs. Wanted to make sure we're using that 4 for you, easy up and in and out. And then the last big thing on this kind of shape of floor plan that we did differently compared to a lot of the competitors in the market is our full pass-through storage up here. A lot of times in a floor plan of this size, you're gonna see some split interior, exterior storage. For us, we want to get that full pass-through for our customer. Of course, you have the docking station on the non-door side, is standard for us in the Transcend Explorer. So some really good stuff here on the outside for this overall shape of floor plan. But let's pop inside and show you what really makes this thing special. Alrighty, now that we're inside this Transcend 331 BH new floor plan, one thing I really wanted to show you in this overall shape that we worked really hard to do that's different than what you're going to see on this shape of floor plan in the industry is direct view entertainment. So a lot of times competitors or other manufacturers are going to put the TV here on this wall. We worked really hard to have that direct view. Here you have the sleeper sofa. You can also option in theater seating, but directly across here right above your kitchens, that nice TV. Great for movie night, waking up in the morning, watching the news, just having that direct views. Really nice there. And with that, the other thing that we did is added our breakfast touch here. Great countertop space, you can see that. Large amount of storage. Got yourself some drawers as well as some overhead storage. So really worked hard to maximize this space. Still make it feel spacious, but give you that direct view functionality as well as all that extra storage and prep space for us. And as we continue to move back into the kitchen, one big feature that we're excited about is our all-in-one, 3-in-1 realistically, microwave, convection microwave, and air fryer here in place of an oven. Air fryers we know are all the rage, so adding that into a unit we're really excited about, and open up even more pots and pan storage for you in the unit here. As we get into the dinette, again, we're looking at a big triple slide bunkhouse. We want to maximize sleeping space. Got the sleeping sofa or theater seating. We'll also have that big U-shaped dinette. So everybody that we're bringing into the floor plan, we can sit around the U-shaped dinette, enjoy a family meal together. And again, all the slides on this are off door sides, so we're going to protect that campsite space. Makes it feel very, very open in here. Now that we're here looking at the bathroom, couple different things in here. Got great storage here, kind of the nook, great for towels, toilet paper, whatever it may be, as well as some cabinet storage underneath. But one attention to detail that you'll find in the Transcends that a lot of other manufacturers that don't invest in is our shower shade here in place of just a shower curtain and rod. This is going to help keep water into your shower instead of out among the floor. A lot cleaner. There's actually a wipe seal on that shade that's going to brush all the water off. Just a lot cleaner and a nice little attention to detail for us compared to what you see a lot of times in this price point in the industry. So with that, let's check out the bunk room here. Did some special things here in the bunk room as well. Bunk slides, so a lot of room in here. Again, you see great cabinet storage. And something that's pretty exclusive to us is our drawer storage underneath as well. You can see you got 6 drawers in here. That's enough for everybody that's going to be in the bunk room. As far as bunks actually go in sleeping capacity, ton of sleeping capacity in here. Single bunk on top, double bunk on the bottom. But then when we come left here, what we're going to see is a flip-up bunk that's a single. Really nice. We can get that out of the way. Auto lock mechanism for you. But then again, we have our sleeper sofa back here. A lot of times in floor plans of this shape, you're going to see something different, maybe a smaller bed. We give you the sleeper sofa, rolls out into a queen bed. Really nice piece to have back here. So when we're looking sleeping capacity, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, very, very comfortably, right? Very nice to have in a large unit and a lot of sleeping space. But with that, let's go check out the master bedroom. We'll show you what makes this floor plan really special. So now that we're in the bedroom, this is my favorite part of this floor plan. Our first bed slide here in the Transcend lineup. This is a true queen bed, right? A lot of guys are using that shorter queen. True 60 by 80 in here, queen bed. And then comes with the largest closet in the traditional built kind of segment. What you're going to get in here is you're going to get hanging storage. You're also going to get folding storage, shoe storage underneath. And then the big thing here is a true washer dryer prep for us. So for some of those guys that are out camping long term, maybe more stationary, that washer dryer prep, very nice to have. Room for the stackable washer and dryer here in each for you. And then of course up front, coming away from your closet storage, but looking at your cabinet storage, again, just a ton of drawers, all of the metal drawer glides for you, plywood built with a nice countertop. Your TV prep, so as you're laying in bed, again, DirectView TV, we work really hard for that. When you walk around this floor plan, again, you're gonna find other shapes in the industry, but there's a couple things that we did here different at Grand Design on purpose to make it a much more functional and better experience for our customers. So we're here, come check us out, 331BH Transcend Explorer, new floor plan. Would love to see your thoughts on it.